Your socks are smelly.
तू जे मोजे घातलेस ना खूप घाण वास येतोय त्यांना. इसकी रील काढी ना तुम लोगों ने.
कचरा निकालना मत भूलना.
आणि ऐक, कचरा काढायला विसरू नकोस हा प्लीज. ना ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना परी हूँ मैं.
Oh my god, somebody's singing this song for me after a really long time.
That's your background music every time you enter a room. I love it.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Shreya, welcome on the Good Girl Show.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking our time and being on this couch. How
It's a
are you
very
feeling?
comfortable couch. Let
na?
me just tell everybody, it's a weird thing to acknowledge, but this is super comfortable. I'm so relaxed.
हम यहाँ पर लड़कियों के comfort का ख्याल रखते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
We'll begin with something which is called the Good Girls Report Card.
Ooh.
You have to tick the words that people have used for you.
Okay.
What have you been called?
Okay. I've been called talkative. I've been called girl's girl. I've been called dramatic. I've been called sensitive. I've been called brave. I've been called opinionated. Too much, can I do half a tick? I'll tell you half a tick. Too much, why? Is because I'm a very expressive person. I'm very passionate about what I like and what I don't like.
Yeah.
तो मैं ऐसे एक subtle zone में express नहीं कर सकती खुद को. I have to go.
Yeah.
I'm all in.
Yeah.
So too much में ऐसे थोड़ा.
Okay. Other section on this is feedback and remarks. Now, this is about your report card, let's say, in school. Yeah. Okay. So, when you were a little girl, what kind of remarks used to be?
Leadership qualities would always be there.
Oh, nice.
So, I would be that kid who would hang with everybody. I enjoyed hanging with the mastikhor students also. I enjoyed hanging with the front benchers also. So I would be, I guess, a middle bencher.
Okay.
And I liked that people were comfortable to come and talk to me. And I've always wanted to be that person.
A remark that you wished for, batao mujhe. Something that, like, these were the things, all good stuff was said,
Yeah.
like, has leadership qualities. Sure. But aisa kuch jo kabhi maybe acknowledge nahi kiya gaya and you would have liked somebody to just take notice.
Maybe sometimes being called too obedient was misunderstood, because then it would mean ki, oh, like she's a teacher's pet.
Correct.
So yeah, I mean, there was no desire to be a teacher's pet or anything like that, but I liked knowing that everybody could talk to me and that I was approachable. Therefore, matlab, this ambition to be head girl and to be in those leadership positions,
Yes.
which then people do make fun of you, right, for wanting to be
Yeah, absolutely.
in power, because it becomes like, no, you're too nice or you're mean.
Did you ever stop yourself from doing things just because, oh, अगर मैं ये करूँगी तो शायद लोग सोचेंगे कि मैं एक अच्छी लड़की नहीं हूँ?
I did it, whatever I wanted to do. I did it. I mean, I don't think I've, you know what they say, right? Like, it's not like good girls don't break rules. They just know what rules they want to break. They do it very quietly.
So you were that one, the
Of
girl.
course. But no, I don't think that there was any image I had to live up to. And I think that is because my idea of sense of self as a child never came from achievements कि ये करके आपको accept किया जाएगा. And that has completely to do with my upbringing. My parents have always given me love unconditionally for who I am, not because of marks in school or gold medals in a sport or how I'm behaving. And that is a priceless emotion to feel, that confidence that no matter what, you have the love of your parents. It's crazy to think, but my mom gave birth to me when she was like 21, 22. She was a really young mother. So, जब मेरा एक rebellious phase शुरू हुआ, तो I could also see that she was also transforming as a mom. And we are so used to a certain idea of how
a mother should
be without realizing that this is a person in their own right and not as any role that is convenient for you to believe or place them in.
Right.
My father was also extremely involved, even though they were working. It was not something
that...
And
also like peak of their careers.
Totally.
Like they were doing so much.
Absolutely. They both were very crucial. But my mother, she consciously did not want to work. You know that?
Oh.
She said that, you know, I wanted to spend time with you, and she said nobody stopped me, it was just my choice and I really enjoyed it. To me, that's feminism. That was
Choice.
her choice.
Yeah,
I want her to sometimes be very selfish for herself.
absolutely.
I feel some women don't know how to do things for themselves.
Yeah, you're right.
Because they're so conditioned to always just do things for other people that they don't know how to take care of themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
So तभी मन करता है कि मैं हक करके बोलूं, no please, you're allowed to be a little selfish today. Be actually selfless by doing this for yourself.
Yeah, I know. I also keep pushing my mom right
Yeah.
now. मम्मी नहीं करने की जरूरत है आपको, नहीं खाना बनाने की जरूरत है, बैठ जाओ थोड़ा चिल करो.
नहीं, अगर उन्हें
Because उन्हें चिल करना नहीं आता है.
करेक्ट, एंड उससे अगर उन्हें यू नो उतना जॉय मिल रहा है, फेयर इनफ,
हाँ.
वो इशू नहीं है. बट टू से कि टुडे पैम्पर योरसेल्फ. Crickets. What do you mean pamper myself? Now if today someone tells us we know how to pamper ourselves,
Absolutely.
right? So again,
Correct.
there's no judgment with it. But now my mother gets very irritated, Pari, because I'm constantly like, Mom, come, let me book a spa for you. Come, go for a solo holiday. She's like, ask me if I want to go now. I'm very happy chilling at home. I don't want to go anywhere. So you can do what you want to.
What's a Marathi phrase that's been like your thing in your family? घर में growing up, what's been a Marathi phrase?
Marathi
that's been
phrase?
A thing?
I go. It is a multi-dimensional word.
Correct,
It's a
correct.
feeling.
At this point, let's do something fun,
Okay.
which is Marathi or sexy.
Okay.
ठीक है? So मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे बहुत ही like random phrases देने वाली हूँ, things that we say every day,
Okay.
and आपको उसको मराठी में translate करना है,
Okay.
but like make it sexy.
Oh.
So your Marathi
Alright.
accent is so sexy. Say it again.
Okay.
Your socks are smelly.
तू जे मोजे घातलेस ना, खूप घाण वास येतोय त्यांना. इसकी रील काटी ना तुम लोगों ने.
वो तो होने वाला है, आपको पता है. Okay, next one.
हाँ.
Are you homeless?
घर बीर नाहीये का तुझ्याकडे?
Cute. Oh my God. I'm thinking कि अभी बहुत जल्द ऐसा कैरेक्टर आने वाला है.
I'm ready.
It's coming your way. Okay, extra onion, extra garlic, please.
Excuse me. थोडं लसूण जास्त घाला आणि कांदा पण बारीक बारीक चिरा आणि त्याच्यावर घाला. Thank you. Why is my sexy voice so soft?
Yeah,
It's very
that's what-
soft.
I was just about to ask you what's happening.
I don't know. Clearly, I'm going to
Sexy
raise the
loud.
volume for the
Okay.
sexy volume.
Okay, कचड़ा निकालना मत भूलना.
आणि ऐक, कचरा काढायला विसरू नकोस हा, प्लीज.
ऐसे कोई कचड़ा निकालने बोले अगर. Okay, can you boil 2 eggs for me?
ऐक ना, 2 अंडी उकळशील का माझ्यासाठी, प्लीज. सोलून आणा.
You're such a drama queen.
काय ड्रामा क्वीन आहेस तू, बावळट. पण आवडतोस हं मला.
All right, and are you ready for the last one? I'm just
Okay.
going to throw this
All
at
right.
you. Okay. Did you just fart?
I can't make this sexy, buddy. This is, I don't know who may have this kink, but this cannot be sexy. My thing will be like, did you just fart? It will be like, padlas to she ghaneda. This I will not say in a sexy way. I'm sorry.
Okay. This was fun. Oh my God. Okay, now I have to ask you this question. मैं थोड़ा सा flip करूँगी back to something serious, which is with regards to, do you feel that pressure to like represent or speak in Marathi? Because it's become such a thing, right? And it's very easy for people to get offended. You are a public figure. So do you feel that? Do you feel that pressure? Do you feel that, okay, अगर मैंने ऐसे बोला, ऐसे नहीं बोला, then people will call me out? Because it's so easy to do that.
मेरे लिए वो एक्चुअली प्रेशर नहीं है, बिकॉज मराठी मेरी मातृभाषा है.
हाँ, correct.
तो
But
मैं
then,
मराठी बोलती ही हूँ,
हम्म,
बट सपोज मैं अब इस शो में हूँ जहाँ पे फॉर्मेट इंग्लिश है,
हम्म,
तो ऑब्वियसली मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश बोलूंगी, तो
Absolutely.
कोई ऐसे कह नहीं पाएगा कि मराठीत का नाही बोलतस. सो वो मुझे अनफेयर लगता है कि कई बार जब हम एक फॉर्मेट के शो पे जाते हैं तो लोग कई बार उसके लिए ट्रोल कर देते हैं कि आप मराठी क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो, बिकॉज दैट इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द शो, इसलिए नहीं बोल रहे. जब मैं उस एनवायरनमेंट में होती हूँ तो ऑफ कोर्स मराठी बोलती हूँ.
राइट.
सो मुझे याद है एक बहुत फनी रैपिड फायर रील मैंने शूट की थी जहाँ पे मुझे खाने के ऑप्शंस दिए गए थे एंड आई हैड टू पिक one or the other. One option was dosa, the other option was say Shrikhanda Puri or something like that. One was Maharashtrian, one or not. And I prefer savory more than sweet. So because
you chose dosa.
मैंने डोसा कहा, डोसा कहा तो लोग ऑफेंड हो गए कि अरे यार महाराष्ट्रन श्रीखंड पूरी का नहीं बोल रही तो. बट आई सेड अभी क्या वो पैरामीटर हो जाता है फॉर मी टू बी अ महाराष्ट्रन. तो आई फील कि कई बार व्हेन यू आर अ पब्लिक फिगर आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली जस्टिफाई करना पड़ता है एंड आई फील उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. तो मैं इन चीजों को जस्टिफाई बिल्कुल नहीं करती. बीइंग अ महाराष्ट्रन इज my culture, my values, my literature,
it's a core.
my core, my language, my everyday being. But that doesn't mean कि आप किसी को जज करें अगर वो एक certain situation में है जहाँ पे ये चीजें आपको ना दिखे.
Okay, let's talk about love.
To get into love, can we talk about friendship first? Because I think प्यार दोस्ती है, तो friendship से हम love के तरफ जाते हैं.
अच्छा, so प्यार दोस्ती है.
I mean, मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है that the person that I'm in love with, I'm also good friends with.
Absolutely.
You know, I know I'm truly in love with someone when I'm comfortable being even silent with them in a room. बस पड़े हैं. अपना अपना कर रहे हैं, but we're happy being around each other even if not in each other's face all the time. So that comfort that friendship offers,
yes,
I seek that in love also. The other day I asked my parents that what is one thing that would be most important for you in a man to be with me. In a second my father answered, he just has to love you as much as we love you.
Oh, that's
because
sweet.
That emotional security when you've grown up with na, you won't ever compromise on that.
Yeah, you have high standards.
A man who feels like home and adventure, dono. You want that sense of security and you want that wildness both. Right? Not too much to ask for,
no, absolutely
not too much to ask for.
But how are you कैसे आप बच रहे हो ये शादी कब करोगी इस सवाल से?
आपको लगता है मैं बच रही हूँ?
नहीं बच रही.
I mean, ये पिछले 1 साल में मैंने नोटिस किया है कि लोग पूछने लगे हैं. नहीं पूछते थे पहले because they understand, you know, profession में आपके एक अलग zone हो सकता है, whatever it is, but subtly पूछते हैं. And I've never been pressurized to answer this question of when are you going to get married or anything, because people who know me well, my family, they know that I'm sensible enough कि when I meet a man who I know I want to take that leap of faith with, मैं वो करूँगी. जल्दबाजी में कुछ नहीं करना है. And my parents always said one thing to me. They said, if you don't want to get married, we support you. But if you want to get married, then don't think that your ceiling is going to fall apart and someone's going to just land up before you, even though that may be a cinematic great visual.
Yes.
If it may not be happening organically, then you also have to make that effort to put that energy out there. So their question is, are you putting energy out? Correct. Is their question.
I know.
Yeah,
exactly.
it's too funny.
Exactly.
And then, you know, people say, right, you'll find him when you're not looking. So I'm always walking like this.
Oh my God.
I'm not looking up. I'm not looking for him because apparently he'll bump into me.
What a timing. I mean, I just saw this yesterday also. Somebody was saying that love comes to you when you stop looking for it.
इसलिए मैं glasses पहन के घूमती हूँ. मैं देख ही नहीं रही हूँ. इधर होगा तो भी नहीं देख रही हूँ. मैं कहाँ है वो? मुझे पता ही नहीं.
All right. Time for another fun segment. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. This is called Kill or Overkill.
Okay.
ठीक है. So I'm going to give you a few situations.
Okay.
And आपको मुझे बताना है कि is it still killing?
Okay.
Does this still work? या
Okay.
it's just done to
death and
मतलब
overkill.
बंद करो यार.
Yeah.
Overkill हो
Done.
चुका है. ठीक है. Getting down on one knee to propose.
I love it. Kill.
It's always a kill.
It's always a kill. Yeah.
Handwritten letters.
Oh, I'm the person who writes a lot of handwritten letters. That's my love language. So
Yeah.
kill. Never an overkill.
Matching couple outfits.
Not a fan. Overkill. Not a fan. I mean, matching outfits with my dog, that vibe is different, but couple outfits and all, no. Sorry.
Match outfits with your dog.
No, I'm saying people do that, na?
Correct, they
like
do
some influencers have, that's
Sure.
their thing, right? Like the
Yeah.
dog dresses and
Yeah.
like them. That's okay.
I know a friend who's named her pet after her ex.
Wow. But that's a compliment to the ex.
You're right.
That's a compliment to the ex. Please tell her to change the name.
she's amazing. Okay, using lol in everyday vocabulary.
लॉल एक्चुअली
Yeah.
लॉल इज एन इमोशन तो मैं वो जज नहीं करती बट ऑल्दो हंसना है तो हंसूंगी लॉल नहीं बोलूंगी यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग
अरे वो पहले ना lol के साथ वो भी चला था.
लमाओ आई एम इनटू लमाओ
You're into lamao.
I'm into lamao. Lol phase has gone. Pari, it's a lamao world we're living in.
Okay,
yeah.
so it's an overkill
lamao.
now. Okay.
But lol, I think overkill कर देते हैं.
Overkill.
Yeah.
Okay. Wearing sunglasses indoors.
I'm guilty of it. I'm guilty of it because I told you I don't want to see him, right?
Yeah, you want
So,
love to just come
love to
your
show
way.
up. That's
Yeah.
skill. I'm okay. I mean, ठीक है.
Sarees with sneakers.
Oh, good.
Love it.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Kill.
It's a
Yeah.
kill. Oh, removing your WhatsApp DP after a breakup.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know if people still do this, but I think this is more of a millennial thing.
Okay.
कि अगर जिंदगी में कुछ भी inconvenience, breakup हो गया, so WhatsApp DP remove कर देते
What
थे
are you
just to
saying?
get
Are you
attention.
serious?
I have done that so many times.
You've done it?
Yeah, because I just
Pari,
wanted
I'm
that guy
judging
to
you.
text.
Pari, I'm judging you.
अरे but I just
I am judging you, Pari.
मुझे चाहिए थी attention. I wanted that guy to
Firstly
ask me
is-
what's up,
Does
what happened.
anyone care about a WhatsApp DP?
That's what I'm saying. That probably it's an overkill today, but
Yeah.
I want this to come back.
Pari, my love,
I
it
love
was
this.
never a kill.
I love
Overkill
drama.
it is.
Okay, getting a tattoo of your partner's name.
Well, you better love him a lot.
Yeah, because
You better love him a lot or make the tattoo in such a way that you can then change it into a design. Because अगर आपने commit कर दिया तो फिर मतलब I know so many people जिनके अजीब जो shapes रहे हैं body पे वो पहले किसी का नाम हुआ करता था. पहले नाम था और अभी पता नहीं क्या बन गया है.
गया
वो ये क्या है? They said वो एक नाम था जिसने धोखा दिया. I said मत करो भाई ऐसा.
Oh no. Okay, starting a podcast. Come on, I think we can be honest. It's an overkill now. No? Like everybody has a podcast. Ironically, I'm saying this.
Look, I won't say overkill. I'll tell you why. Because there'll still be few that will be more engaging than the others.
Huh.
And it's nice to feel like you're part of a conversation.
Hmm.
So let's see if it becomes more of an overkill in the few years. But I guess if someone wants to have a podcast, so be it.
Sure, but मुझे बस ऐसा लगता है कि
ज़्यादा हो
सब
गया।
बोल रहे हैं तो सुन कौन रहा है?
हाँ, correct. वो भी है.
Right. Okay, last two things. Soft launching your partner on Instagram, on social media.
I
You know
like
soft
it. That's
launch,
cute.
huh?
Yeah. Yes, I know soft launch, Pari. Yes, Pari. Yes. So what if I'm not Gen Z, Pari? I know what a soft launch is. Asha, this is how you make people feel older in
No,
today's
no,
day. I'm
no.
kidding. I'm teasing you. Yeah, I think it's kind of cute. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me एक ऐसा romantic gesture जो आपके हिसाब से कभी overkill हो ही नहीं सकता. Like it's evergreen.
Writing letters.
Yeah.
Handwritten letters. I love doing that, and I do that to somebody I love, but I also write letters to friends. But yeah, I'm a romantic at heart, and I truly enjoy writing letters with stickers and like different
Yeah.
pens. That's the sweetest gesture, and I don't know if people do that anymore. And just showing up, physical presence
Hmm.
is very important. मतलब बातें तो कर ही सकते हैं, but how much are you really there for that person
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
you need the person or vice versa?
Yeah. We will have one last segment to wrap up, but before that, I do want to talk about your work currently.
Hmm.
Okay, you are an actor, doing some amazing stuff out there.
Thank you.
Also मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये देखकर कि कैसे there are more and more like female characters written with more agency, with more depth, with layered characters being written. So mera question ye hai ki, are you happy with the way it's going? You've played a police officer, you've been a lawyer, you've been a journalist,
Cult leader.
everything, right? So are you happy with what's coming your way, and is there something that you would want to be a little different? And आपको लगता है कि यार अभी भी थोड़ा ये चीज थोड़ी सी बदल सकती है अभी भी?
I'm very grateful for the kind of opportunities I've got, and also because earlier the idea of women on screen was either the ideal woman or a rebel.
Yeah,
It
good
was
girl, bad
quite, It was quite stark.
girl. Yeah.
But today, I think women are written in all their glory. You see them strong, you see them vulnerable, you see them with desires, you see them with fears, you see them with their weakness, you see them in a much more multi-dimensional way. And credit to writers and also more women coming into the industry who are kind of taking that leap of faith and writing women in a much more layered manner. I do notice that it's very common that जब आप किसी specific genre में ज़्यादा काम करते हो तो उसी किस्म के genres आपके पास आते हैं. So say if I've done back-to-back thrillers of women who are fighting for justice or morally righteous, then there was a phase where just those parts were coming my way. And then I felt the need to spoon feed and put it out there that no, I'm capable of so much more.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, just because I may not have had obvious glamorous parts on screen, it doesn't mean that I can't pull off something that's glamorous.
Yeah.
Look पे भी बहुत बार लोग comment कर सकते हैं that you know you have to be desirable enough for certain parts. But my point is that there are men deciding
Exactly.
what is desirable and what is not desirable.
Absolutely true.
You know, let's ask the women what's desirable for them as well.
क्या आपने नोटिस किया कि एक एज के बाद चाहे हम कितना ही अभी इवॉल्व हो चुके हैं, चाहे बेटर रोल्स लिखे जा रहे हैं औरतों के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी क्या आपको लगता है कि एज का जो फैक्टर है वो सिर्फ अभी भी इट्स स्टिल अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर वुमेन? लाइक द प्राइम इज जस्ट ओनली एग्जिस्ट्स फॉर वुमेन.
Of course, I absolutely agree. ऐसे बहुत बार लड़कियों को कहा जाता है कि these are your prime years and आपके पास 10, 15, 20 साल हैं. Now it's on you. If as an actor you are going to look at it like that, तो आपको फिर उतना ही मिलेगा. But the thing is, screen age is one thing, right?
Yeah.
Based on how you're looking, what is the vibe of, and I'm not saying doing things cosmetically because वो भी दिख जाता है आजकल. You know, when everyone's looking like everybody else, वो पता चल जाता है. But we see a 55-year-old man romancing a 20-year-old.
Yeah.
But are there love stories about a 50-year-old woman where you're showing her as a woman looking for love maybe and not in any other roles? No.
Yeah.
So very quickly the women become replaceable. So then what do you have as an actor? Then you have to show your versatility and figure what do I do with respect to my craft to challenge myself and mold myself differently.
Yeah.
You have to fight for yourself. And there are some fights that will never end.
Yeah. Talking about fights, I think what makes it...
Talking about fights.
Fights.
Her segue is talking about fights. Tell me about your beautiful female friendships.
I was just trying to find a way to connect it. Talking about fights, I think what makes it easier is when you have a wonderful support system around you.
Oh my God.
जब आपके पास है ऐसी लड़कियां, when you have your girls to constantly uplift you, cheer you up, support you.
Oh.
So you want to give a shout out to your girls?
Oh my God, yes. I think there's no substitute for sisterhood. You know, sisterhood, girlhood. When you have your girls celebrating each other without that sense of competition, there is just such beautiful magic. And that's because there's shared chaos and calm. Like I said, a girls' sleepover is a podcast.
Yes.
Right? And contrary to what boys may assume that we're discussing boys, I mean, it's, I mean, sometimes, you got to throw in the boy.
We do.
In it. But there's everything from just talking about dreams and fantasies to skincare and food and some gossip and men. But so much of it is reflective.
Yeah.
So much of it is bearing your soul. So I love my girls and there's always a reality check. And you know, those are the friends जो आपको बताएं कि अच्छा आपके दांत में कुछ है, वो आपके दोस्त हैं. है ना? It's true.
Oh
it's
my God.
true.
A lipstick लगी है दांत पर.
Lipstick लगी है.
Yeah.
You know? कि ना कि honesty. They should
Correct.
not be afraid to be honest with you.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't need like just yes, very good वाले friends. वो आपके दोस्त हैं जो आपका मजाक भी उड़ाएं, जो
That's true.
डरे ना.
Correct.
And who will understand if you are not always around. Like, you know, some of my closest friends, I may not meet them often, but when we do meet, it's like time hasn't passed. And just
Absolutely.
being, you know, that feeling of just being in bed, watching something fun, take out Chinese or like chaat or something, and just chilling and being lazy, lethargic with your girls.
Yeah.
I love it. I live for it.
Yeah.
It's so comforting.
Yeah, sure. All right, Shreya, we will finally end with one last segment.
Okay.
So this is a segment called The Firsts.
Okay. First period. I have this memory so clear. This was, I think, in the 6th or 7th grade. And I was so excited.
You were
I
excited.
was so excited. I was properly educated about what periods are and stuff. And in fact, I stained myself in class, and the boy sitting behind me got so scared that he wrote a letter to me. There is something on your skirt. And it was that sports day, so white skirt.
Oh no.
He must have freaked out.
Ah.
Also, this whole thing of whispering, you know, have you
Yeah,
noticed
correct,
girls do
correct.
this? That
Yes.
just ask for a pad, sanitary pad. Do you have a pad? Why are we whispering about pads anymore?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
That's right. First heartbreak.
First heartbreak was, even though I broke up, it was a heartbreak because it was a heartbreak still. Yeah. Oh, feels horrible in the moment, doesn't it?
क्या coping mechanism क्या है आपका?
Rona.
I like crying. I'm a
Crying, you
fan of
enjoy crying?
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Like bha crying or like subtle ऐसे graceful आंसू?
Bha
crying.
Full.
मेरे कभी-कभी graceful आंसू निकलते हैं.
How do you do that?
I don't know. Like, in the sense, I can, like, I'll sit and I'll get overwhelmed and I can cry. So it's never like
out loud.
That also happens.
Yeah, but I'm saying you're capable of gracefully crying.
In the 3rd, 4th month. 3rd, 4th month.
Okay.
The ugly cries and the 4th.
Okay. First crush.
Is it weird that I had a crush on Simba from Lion King?
Wow.
Is that totally weird?
No, but
is that a weird answer? I don't know, but I think it's a weird answer. But I remember, like, I don't know. Wait, no, that's a weird answer.
It's a cute one, yeah.
As a child, I loved Simba.
That's cute. First song you dedicated to someone.
For me, when I think of romantic songs, I always go back to the Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar classics. So for me, Lag Ja Gale is a song that is evergreen. Abhi bhi mujhe wo gana bahut pasand hai. So that is a song that I know that I've always heard with somebody who I've really loved.
Can you sing for us? Because we know you can. Because we know you're so good at it.
Lag ja gale ke phir ye हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले.
Amazing. I agree. This is evergreen. And you have such a mishti voice. Last question.
Yeah.
Shreya, first time you stood up for yourself.
I'll tell you the last time because there's always a time when unfortunately we need to. The battles don't end, man.
Yeah.
The first time I stood up for myself was when so I told you I used to swim competitively, right? And पूरे दिन हम धूप में swim करते थे, so I would be like completely tanned, chlorine, and being under the sun. And there's a lady who commented to me saying कितनी काली हो गई है. My mother was next to me, and before my mother said anything, I looked at her and said, मैं gold medal जीत रही हूँ. I stood up for myself and I kind of told her that this is not cool,
Yeah.
I went to that I am winning gold medal charap. Like I went to that space.
Yeah.
But
Amazing. I mean, that's the absolutely appropriate response. Sure, of course.
yeah.
Shreya, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
being on yet another podcast.
Yet another podcast. Good girl in her bad era is
Good
what
girl
it
in a
seems
bad
like.
era. Yeah, yeah. And there's a ritual on this show,
Okay.
which is this.
I
So-
love sunflowers. They're my absolute favorite flowers.
And look at this. It's so beautiful. This one's for you.
Thank you. Did you know I like sunflowers?
No, it's just a ritual that I give a sunflower to
Thank
every
you
girl
so
who sits
much.
on this couch.
Oh, okay. I'm giving this back to you, Pari.
Thank you.
This is so sweet. But I'll take it because I
And
like
I'll
it.
give it back to you.